Hello and welcome back to Choose to Lose. This week we're going to be talking about sleep and some of the good things it does while we are relaxing and napping. According to American Academy of Neurology, most adults need between 7 and 9 hours of sleep per day. And this is why. During sleep, our body releases hormones. And some of these hormones keep our heart and our blood vessels healthy. Sleep helps to regulate our metabolism. That's the way that our body converts that food that we eat into energy. So we want to get some good sleep. Sleep also helps our mind and body relax and recover from our horrid day of work, play, whatever we've done. It also helps to regulate our immune system. All this while we're sleeping. Research suggests that the proper amount of sleep helps us with weight loss. That's right. Whew, I'm tired. Sleeping and you're tired, right? Sleep helps us to maintain our physical activities. Who knew? Getting the proper amount of sleep. A good night's rest, it helps to make us to feel more energized and alert. It helps us to focus and get the things done that we need to get done. Sleep, it appears to play this big role in what's called memory consolidation. And this is how memory consolidation works. During sleep, our brain makes connections. It links events and feelings and sensory input to form memories. While we sleep, our body works hard to repair damage. What kind of damage? This can be from anything during your day. Stress, ultraviolet rays, from other harmful things that we're exposed to all day long. Sleep. Our cells produce certain proteins while we sleep. They form the building blocks of cells that repair the day's damage and keep us healthy. Sleep. So, let's sum it all up. What I'm saying is, when we sleep, our body is hard at work. Yes, while we sleep. It restores hormonal balance. It repairs itself. It keeps the circulatory and immune systems functioning properly. Yes, while we sleep, our brain forms and stores memories. Yes, while we sleep. Quality sleep allows us to be more energetic, more alert. It allows us to lose weight, exercise, work, learn, socialize, do all of those things that we enjoy. Be sure to get your proper amount of rest. Thanks for tuning in. Come back next week on Choose to Lose.